Hello, this is Erin, and I am showing my progress for week 4 in CIT 336 for enhancement number 2. So this is my index that I have created now, and you see I don't have my dynamic navigation in yet because I did not get past the error portion from the instructions of after doing the var dump categories and exit for the database. And one thing I couldn't quite see was where things should be pointed to correctly. So here's my connections PHP file that I worked on last week, and here is my Acme model, and I changed where the database equals Acme Connect. It was connections here, so I changed that, and here is the error that I am now getting. And it says, let's see, that here we are on Acme model PHP line 15 is my stack trace. Well, if I come back here, that's the execute statement. So I've been trying to troubleshoot this for several hours, and this is as far as I've been able to get. And here, the last time I was able to do my validation, the fatal error is from the errors and warnings after my code that showed up, and so that's where I'm at. Thanks.